Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. You have to keep your phone protected, but why not get one that gives you some privacy also? Especially when you have curious eyes of bystanders or maybe even your little ones. I feel so much safer that my information is protected. And also, my phone is protected from the tempered glass of the screen. It's so easy to put together. It's really simple. You just peel it off and you can use the guides, but if you have a steady hand, you can just apply it and voila, it just sticks right on. And I do love having my camera protected with this protective lens. It's really important to me because the camera is something that I use a lot for my videos. And it's not obtrusive. It fits right in my phone case. I just love it. So if you're looking for protection from other people's eyes or just protecting your phone, this will be great for you. I love it. I wouldn't go a day without it. And that's just my point of view.